Okay, going to do a test to see how good the VAX carpet cleaner is in trying to restore this carpet here. So, as you can see, this is before it's been cleaned. You can see it's quite dirty. I have the foot mat carpet bit here. This is normally by the front door. So it normally covers over this patch here, which you can see where it's actually covered is actually quite clean. So what I'm expecting is after I've cleaned the carpets, it should look as clean as that, and all of that grime and dirt removed from the carpet here and here should be gone. So just moving the mat back to where it normally is. So like that area, and you can see the state of the carpet, very in-ground dirt. I'm not going to use the stain remover one because I don't have that with me. I'm just going to fill the machine with the fluid that it needs. I'm going to run it across and see how well it works. Be very interesting. So the machine I'm using, the exact model, it's the PET design and it's the VAX Platinum Power Max. And the solution I'm going to be using is just this that comes with it, and give that a go. So the water that goes in it can't be any hotter than 40 degrees, so I've got a kettle here where I can set the temperature. I set it to 40 degrees, boil that, and then put it in. So the water will go on this side, just taking out the top nozzle here. And then if you want a light clean, a quick clean, you fill it up to there with water. And if you want a deep clean, which I'm going to definitely need on this carpet, then you fill the water up to there. So just tested filling this up, so to get to the quick wash, that's approximately 2 litres of water. So using that solution, you would put in 80 mils of solution, and because this system is the auto mix, you just basically add it into the same size as the water, doesn't matter, and it goes in there. So I'm going to add in a bit more water, not sure how much it is to get it to the top, maybe another 2 litres, we'll give it a go. And then we'll try the clean. So to fill it to the max line, it actually takes 3 litres in total. It's just a little bit short there because I did spill some water, but yeah, approximately 3 litres. That means I need 120 ml of cleaning solution in there. So to fill it up, it's 40 ml per 1 litre. So we've got 3 litres in there, so it's 120. So you've got this cap here that you get on the bottle, but there's no measurement guide, so I filled it with water and I then tipped that into a watering jug, and approximately around about 4 capfuls will give you the required dose of 120 ml. So that's what I'm going to do. So 4 of those, and then I'm going to put that straight into there. Okay, so I put in about 4 caps, just under 4 caps. Clean solution in, so it looks like that. I've set the front bit here to wash. And what I'm going to do is just try this carpet first, this little bit of carpet, because if it all goes wrong, then I can just replace that bit of carpet. So switch the machine on, handle, there we go. And apparently what you do is, as you're pushing forward, you press this handle here, this trigger, that releases the solution, and then when you're coming back, you release the trigger, and then it sucks the dirt in. So let's give that a go. Let's see. So hit the power. like partially cleaned. I've just turned it the other way up to see if I can run the hoover across here. So it does seem to look better. I mean, it's still wet at the moment, and all the dirt now is on this side of the carpet, which is fine. So I'm going to give that a go, see what happens. Okay, so that's what it's looking like now after a couple of cleans. I'm now going to take this carpet out and put it somewhere else so it can dry, to see how good it comes up. And then I'm going to do the rest of this hallway. Okay, so this is the state of the carpet after using the 3 litres of water pretty much on there and on the mat. So it's still drying, so it's difficult to tell how much it's got out. It does look better. I think it needs more, another go at least. Machine is really loud, I've got to say. Got a bit of a headache using it, but yeah, it definitely seems to have made an improvement, no doubt about that. I think it will need another go once the carpets have dried, and I think it could benefit from using the stain wand as well. So we'll see how these dry, and then we'll have another go at this tomorrow and see what it looks like. Yeah, not bad. Just extremely noisy. Gives you a bit of a headache after a while. But other than that, it's pretty good. So this is just showing, before I emptied the dirty water, that it's pulled out of the carpet, so it's all black, which is good. And actually the mat, though the mat is still drying, it does look better than how it was previously. So I think, again with this, let it dry and then give it another go. Could see some really good results on this.